Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do this like flawless face routine because lately my eyeshadow has been coming out like extra garbage. So yeah, we're gonna start with the eyebrows and I'll just let you watch how I'm doing it. I'm using the LA Colors eyebrow definer. Going into my face, I'm going to take this LA Girl orange corrector and I'm just going to put this on the spots where I have dark circle under my eyes, more dark circles, my nose where I have this black line, dark line, and around my mouth where some of the areas are a little darker. So I'm going to do that and then I'm going to blend it out with this fluffy blending brush. For foundation, I'm going to take the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the shade Cappuccino. I got this from, I think Ulta. I think that's the only place they have that shade because they don't have it at Walmart. And then I'm gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Beautifully Bronzed or something like that. And then I'm just gonna mix those together because the Cappuccino shade still doesn't match my complexion and I want it to be a little darker. So I blend those together. And then I'm gonna take the LA Girl Pro HD Concealer in Fawn. I'm going to put this under my eyes and then I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Medium and I'm going to put that under my eyes just to brighten it up a little bit more. And then I'm going to let that concealer sit there for a while, let it dry down, and then I'm going to take this ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I can't remember what shade this is, but I think it's the darkest shade, or it was the darkest shade when it first came out. And I'm going to use this to cream contour. I'm trying something new because I really don't like cream contouring because it just looks a mess, and I'm surprised this looks okay. After blending it in with the brush, I'm going to go in with my sponge beauty blender and I'm going to make sure that everything is further blended out evenly. Now that I'm done blending that contour out, I'm going to go under my eyes and I'm going to blend out that concealer before it's totally dry. And this just makes it so much easier. I learned that with the LA Girl concealer, you have to let it sit for a while to let it dry down, because if you just go in right away after you apply it to your face, it's kind of like messy and it doesn't give you the best coverage. So I like a full coverage, so I let it dry down and then I blend it out. Then once that was all done, I set it with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder and I'm going to take this Wet n Wild bronzer. It's one of their new ones that came out of one of their collections and I just use that to set the contour. Then I'm going to take my Sephora Micro Smooth powder on this brush that I got off Amazon and I'm just going to pack that into my face. I'm patting it in and then I'm going to buff it later on. Going back into that Wet n Wild bronzer and I'm going to use this to contour my nose. The bronzer that I usually use to contour my nose, is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. And then I'm going to take this Wet n Wild setting spray and I'm just going to spray this on my face to get all that powder to soak into my skin and look skin-like. And for highlighters, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Gold Bar highlighter. And then I'm going to use one of their loose highlighters. It's the one with the skull on it. And yeah, I use a lot of Wet n Wild products, I've noticed. Their products, Wet n Wild they doing it. So if you ain't grabbed you some Wet n Wild products, their highlighters, their lipsticks, you missing out. Now I'm going to just create my wing because I told you before my eyeshadow's been coming out like garbage. So I'm using my NYX liquid liner. It's the matte one, and I'm just going to create a wing. And this is up close so you guys can see. I always get people asking me, how do I do my wings? And this is a good little visual right now. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys learn something. And if you're watching this and you're like, oh, it looks so easy, but I can't do it, just keep practicing, because I'm telling you, I sucked at it and I'm still trying to get my wing liners perfect. And yeah, so just keep practicing and you'll get it. Like, yeah, just practice. Practice makes perfect. That's the best thing I can say. Then I'm going to apply my lashes, and I'm using the Cocoa lashes in the style Stella. These are my absolute favorite eyelashes. Absolute favorite. And I couldn't find my tweezers, so I'm using my fingers. And I just let that glue dry down till it was nice and tacky. And then I'm just setting it in the middle and then pressing them on. And yeah, that's basically what I do. Looking down into my mirror. Then I'm going to take the little bit of that loose highlighter from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to pop that into my inner eyelids to open up my eyes. Moving on to the lips, I'm going to use the ColourPop Ellery liner and this NARS lipstick. I think it's called Superwoman. It is the most beautiful red lipstick. I think I love this one next to the Fenty Stunner lip paint. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Because I'm overdoing everything and yeah, and messing up everything, I kind of drew outside my lip, and I'm just taking a little bit of concealer to fix that. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you guys learned something. Until next time, you guys, take care. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you again.